The French Foreign Legion is made up of troops from 138 different countries, and these troops can eventually become citizens of France. After serving honorably for 3 years, they can apply for citizenship. But if they are wounded on the battlefield, they become citizens automatically through a provision called French by spilled blood. Throughout its history, the troops of the French Foreign Legion have spilled a lot of blood, both of the enemies and their own. The Legion has always been seen as an expendable force. More than 35,000 foreigners have been killed in action and service for the Legion. Those who continue to join are accepting the possibility of death in a far-off place in exchange for a new life with a sense of purpose.
Vive la Légion!
Vive la Légion!
But who are these men who joined the Legion? Well, the Legion used to accept anyone. And I mean anyone. Murderers, thieves, deserters from other armies. Since its founding in 1831, the Legion has become the one place of escape for those with hunted pasts. New Legionnaires are stripped of their old identity, no questions asked, and given a new one. New recruits today have a bit stricter process. There are physical, intelligence, and psychological screenings before the training starts, but the tradition of giving recruits a new identity remains. The Legionnaires are intensely proud of their Legion and what it stands for, and they'll never surrender. Legionnaires are instilled with a fight to the death attitude. They don't understand the concept of giving up. In April 1863, a group of 65 Legionnaires fought against 3,000-man-strong Mexican army at the Battle of Cameron. The smaller force of Legionnaires inflicted terrible losses on the Mexican forces and refused to surrender. Actually, the French officers called on the Mexican force to surrender multiple times. This group fought until only 5 able men remained, and then they mounted a bayonet charge. When they were ultimately surrounded and forced to surrender, the Mexican major is quoted saying, "Is this all of the men who are left? These are not men, they are demons." Like, share, and comment below. Maybe you've got a couple of stories of run-ins with some Legionnaires you'd like to share.